y'all, so I basically wanted to come and do a video and show you guys what I experienced during my Dominican blowout. I went to Martha's Palace here in Memphis, Tennessee. They're a super duper cool crowd. Like, they were really nice. All the aunties and cousins in there they were nice. So they let me film and everything, and just to show you guys like a little snippets of their process and what they do. I really needed somebody who can tame my natural hair, because I am 7 years natural, and I literally woke up that morning and was like, I have nothing that I can do to my hair. So if you want to see the results of my blowout, I got a deep conditioner and a blowout. If you want to see those results, just stay tuned. Catch you later. Oh, my hair is a mess. It's a mess. Yeah, your raspy voice. Can you sing?
No, absolutely not. Oh, thanks, Yalabam. Sorry kasi pinagtulog ako para tumayo.